hostiles near your location. Control, we've received the call, over. Target has crashed their vehicle, over. No sign of the target, over.
Terminating the search. Control. Put out an APW. Eyes on suspect. They crossed the checkpoint.
Hostiles near your location.
Proceed. Mobilizing now. Out.
Control. I've lost the target.
Control, we are pursuing the suspect, over.
Hold on.
at your location.
Received. Moving to intercept.
I've identified a civvy with a firearm.
You're listening to the
Requesting medical assistance for this collision. Control, still pursuing target. Over.
Taking cover! The suspect was definitely there.
I'm putting an end to this. Over.
Immobilizing the suspect.
Officer down. Send help. They've got me
This area is being recorded by the GBB.
Use a pursuit intervention technique.
Get that locked down.
Stand by units. Report to my location. Over. Control, I'm ready to immobilize the target.
All units, we are after the suspect. Putting an end to the chase now. What's going on with that? We are inbound. Stand by.
Up for a spot of action?
Oh yeah, I'm all tuned up.
Bystander has been injured. Send emergency vehicle.
Hostile at your location.
Control, we are pursuing the suspect. Over.
Weapon has been drawn. Moving in.
Putting an end to the chase now.
Comrade is now taking an Albion-mandated timeout. You're up.
What an idiot. Come on, let's finish the job then.
All units. I repeat, all units. We have reports of a hostile in your area.
Investigating. Stand by.
Send emergency vehicles to my location.
Can anyone see the suspect? Unit, prepare to stop the vehicle.
We have an injured pedestrian. Do something. Over. Control, I can't see the suspect. Please advise. Search has yielded no results. Report back to HQ.
Lockup was not a good way to waste my time. Let's not do it again.
Lucky to get you back. Guessing you want to get your hands on some fascist fuck, right?
Check the surroundings.
Control to all units. Possible hostiles near your location. Received. Stand by for further developments. Suspect cleared the checkpoint. Control, I've lost sight of the target. Over.
Danger. Vehicle in critical condition. Please exit immediately.
Eyes on
Danger.
suspect. They crossed the checkpoint.
Immobilizing the suspect.
I'm here now.
possible suspect or suspects reported near your location. Moving to the hostiles' location. Over.
Control, this is taking longer than expected. Over.
I'm taking your motor.
Use a pursuit intervention technique.
I had them. Where did they go?
Target has cleared checkpoint on.
Pursuing the target. Over.
That's it. I'm calling off the pursuit. All units. Possible suspect or
Target has
suspect
exited the
reported near
car,
your location.
maintaining visual. Control, call an ambulance to my location.
I'm in pursuit of the target.
possible suspect or suspects reported near your location. Control, we are pursuing the suspect.
Back up! I need...
Civilian needs medical attention. All units, force the suspect to stop.
Hit the target. Over.
Middle finger the dogs bringing me down. One out to the guys around, sticking around. Couple girls used to hate, but now they're bringing me now. Go get funny but serious. I'll be in my room with your life.
Control, we are unsighted of suspect. Over.
They be telling me I'm really serious.
I'm in pursuit of the target.
Control, put out an APW. Target is gone.
I am never wrong. I'm postmodern perfection, I'm futuristic. I need some privacy, what the hell am my business? Taking the business.
All units, I repeat, all units. We have reports of a hostile in your area. Over.
Message received, moving in. Over.
The bollards are up.
Any other patrols have eyes on the suspect? Over.
Control. Let's put out an APW. We're getting nowhere here.
Don't need this.
All units. Possible suspect or suspects reported near your location.
Received. Moving to intercept.
Suspect is not going quietly. Stand by.
Putting an end to the chase now.
Officer down! Officer down!
Control, I'm going to need some backup.
This is London Police. You're here with
Control, we are pursuing the suspects. Over.
your source for what they don't want you to know. In today's world, we've all had to get used to every year being tracked by the optic on detectives, by the cameras around us, and with every click we make online. It seems like everything we do feeds the big
Control,
data.
I've lost the target.
Why are data giants like Bloom so easy to get hold of our private information and our metadata? What are they using it for? Will we ever have real private lives again? What is privacy in the future?
Control, we have an
What
RTA
happens
at my
if
location.
surveillance becomes one? As you know, we keep all notes confidential. Speaking from a secure location, this new technology strategist Charles, who worked all over the world trying to keep democracy strong in the face of the data assault.
If you have enough personal data on somebody, you're able to predict what it is that they're going to do. You can tell what they might be passionate about, but mostly you can tell what they fear. And if you can tell what someone fears, then you can manipulate them and you can move them in particular directions.
Control, there's been an
Data
accident.
is collected
Control to all
on
units.
citizens
Possible hostiles
every
near your location.
possible way. Data is collected
Got it.
through surveillance
Watch for hostiles,
cameras.
people.
Data is collected from
Target has
television
cleared.
sets.
Checkpoint
They don't
on.
necessarily need to be super smart television sets.
Received.
Data
We're
is
going to
collected
ram the
from
target.
voter records. It's collected from how much power you use in your house and how much water you use in your house. In pre-crisis Britain, we got really used to all of our services being free. Everything suddenly became fully
Control, I can't see the
digital.
suspect.
But what
Please
people
advise.
forgot is that if you're not paying for it, then you're the product being sold.
If technology brings out the worst in citizens, capitalism brings out the worst in freedom. Senior academic outfit
I'll have you screaming by the end.
Damn it. Where's my backup?
Urgent call. Possible hostile at your location. Received. Responding to the situation now.
Incoming fire!
Might need assistance. Stand by.
Get this off me!
What are you doing?
Control, we're pursuing the suspect.
No.
Control, send emergency vehicles when available.
Shots fired! This area is
Coming dispatch.
shit!
Drones are on route to
Officer
suspect.
down! Officer down!
There's our target. Over.
Received. We are in pursuit.
Got a vehicle behaving erratically.
Immobilizing the suspect. Right, close this fucker down.
ready!
I'm ready to immobilize the target.
Initiate. Reloading. First to bring you the news.
Somebody help that officer. Over.
GBV. First to the scene.
Coming for you!
First to bring you the news.
Something's wrong with...
We're on their tail. Over.
Shit! I need help!
Hey, time's over!
Putting an end to the
Getting
chase
shot
now.
at here! Being shot at here!
Lock down this vehicle before it hurts someone.
Suspect been hit!
Situation has escalated. Requesting backup. Over.
Reloading!
We are inbound. Stand by.
Suspect has opened fire!
Putting an end to this.
British.
Over.
Britain's first newsnet.
Taking fire!
Officer down. Officer down.
You're outmatched. Let's do this! Suspect's hit! I'd rather not have to kill you today.
Control, we are pursuing the suspect.
Sooner you give up, more I can help you.
Coming up in today's episode of The Upload, we're talking about how Bagley managed to This is my favourite topic. I could talk for hours about the rise of the AI system. It's easy
Ready
to
to run the
forget about its origins. It's so present everywhere we go now. Bagley just kind of blends into the background.
Bagley is the service AI that's present in every Optic device. Whether you're using Optic, Bagley will be there. The AI is streamed to your Optic from Bloom Central Command Center, and it was first created by Skylar's and our tech hero as part of her techno-utopian idea for the world. Why do you think
Driving into the vehicle. Over.
In my mind, it's no surprise that Bagley became so popular. It's funny, useful, fast, It's a great companion and really just makes life so much easier. I mean, when you look back at
Suspect has exited the vehicle. Over.
Drones deployed to arrest the suspect.
information available to you. One day, I look back and see all of my messages for a whole 24 hours and no one even noticed the difference.
The other competitors really just couldn't compete with Bagley. Their answers were so much worse. They didn't understand anything. And
we have a
Bagley
visual
pretty
on the
much
suspect.
gets everything right first time. Do you have any idea why Bagley really beat the competition?
Well, it's really the data, isn't it? Ever since Broker hooked up with Bloom, that's when things changed.
Total the target's vehicle.
That's not actually that great. Bloom has data
Eyes on target.
They collect
They
information
cross-check
about
points.
everything you're doing across the web through your optic headset. Isn't the AI only good because of Bloom surveillance?
Well, I suppose so, but I prefer not to
Proceed.
that side of it.
Grabbing the suspect.
Control, we are still on the suspect. Over.
I mean, we don't really know that much about the latest version because there's so much secrecy around the tech. But they're giving us huge
Proceed, we're
amounts
going
of
around
training
the
data.
target.
It's basically a huge database that's used to teach the AI about patterns in behaviour. You know, so we can also
Control, we need medical assistance at my location. Over.
Go and get a self-driving car ready for you before you're late.
That's pretty terrifying. It stands too much at times. Have you heard some of the rumours around the hacked version?
I've heard much rumours, yes.
I've heard it's been used by DedSec.
Oh, yes, it has been. It's pretty well known that they're not fans of but the idea of a suspect version of Bagley, given it's already so intelligent, is a bit terrifying.
I wonder what they could actually make it do.
Units, prepare to stop the vehicle.
Counter-terrorism, counterintelligence, countering organized crime. Signal intelligence response leads the world.
Units, target on foot. Over.
We are in pursuit. I say again, in pursuit.